Welcome to Money Mantra channel. This video is about 8 essential benefits of Kubera Mantra which can release you from all your financial obstacles. This is the most auspicious Diwali when you engage yourself in the Aradhana or the worshipping of God Kubera. But have you ever wondered why our ancient generations or our elders in the household always narrated the stories of Kubera with the sack of wealth in his hand? Have you really tried to imagine the immense wealth and prosperity the chanting of Kubera Mantra can bring to you? Just know about the 10 essential benefits. Benefit 1, increases your wealth. If you start chanting Kubera Stotram along with Kubera Bija mantras for over 21 days at a stretch starting from first day of Dhanteras, it will eradicate any kind of financial obstacles and make your fortune towards you very soon. The Kubera Mantra Jap actually increases your chance of getting a decent lifestyle with wealth accumulation. Benefit 2, the act of unadulterated devotion will make the Lord listen to your pleading. It is true what the rishis and oracles as well as the Puranas and the Vedas told the ways which you can enjoy the proximity of God. If you bathe, take a silver coin in your right palm and fill one small copper glass with water and then offer it to Lord Kubera. Go on uttering the mantra for about 108 times and then the God will listen to all of your financial difficulties which will be out of your penury very soon. Benefit 3, give and take relationship when you utter the Kubera Mantra. There is a popular saying that whenever you acquire wealth, money, fortune and luck, you should also try to be submissive, down to earth, polite and indulge yourself in some philanthropic activities that can actually help the economically downtrodden people to achieve something. The benefits of Kubera Mantra can double up if you understand the financial suffering of others and help poor people by offering them small tokens of food, clothes, small amount of money or any other assistance during the emergency. Benefit 4, maintaining your wealth and with a positive frame of mind. Sometimes you see that you earn and acquire a lot but you do not get to accumulate and maintain your money. Wealth never remains with you and your hard-earned income always gets depleted very soon due to medical emergency, daughter's marriage, son's higher studies or due to an unexpected loss in business. There is a small village in Coimbatore where once an aged woman was suffering from severe financial problems and her son was undergoing a difficult time to maintain the household in spite of having a huge profit in his export and import businesses. The man squandered his wealth. He did not worship God. He never maintained his accounts and he did not know how to keep the money flowing. This household was the first in the village to start the Kubera Puja or worship Kubera. He carried on his prayers till 21 days and that is when they started experiencing good returns on an investment and also learnt how to roll on and maintain the accumulated wealth. Benefit 5, you will know when and for what you need money. One of the most important benefits of Kubera Mantras is that you learn the tactics to keep your purse sealed and also when exactly you acquire a certain sum. The syllables arranged in Om, Shreem, Hreem, Kleem, Shreem, Kleem, Vitteswaraya Namaha are just not the Dhanaprapti mantras which are dedicated to Lord Kubera, but they are also those essential junctures in your life when you really understand the value of money and exactly the need for it is real. Benefit 6, the evil consequences of the past karma get reduced when you utter the Kubera Mantra. The Bhagavad Gita has an entire chapter dedicated to karma or the action of man and is also suggestive of the fact that whatever you have done in your early life has an obvious repercussion in your present life. So you can chant the Kubera Mantra very slowly on Tuesdays and Fridays to reduce the negative impact of your past karma and to usher in a new life of hope and prosperity. Benefit 7, skills that will help you in investment. One of my very good friends is an investor connected with Bombay Stock Exchange and he has admitted that after learning and chanting the Kubera Mantra from 2014 onwards, he has seen astounding results as far as his market research, speculations, investment benefits and skills are concerned. Regular meditation of this mantra has actually helped him to learn the potholes as well as the best features of any risky investment. So Kubera Mantra teaches you how, when and where to invest rightly in order to reap the highest benefits. Benefit 8, beware of the evil eye and ill health. When man proposes or decides about something, another man disposes, rejects, or thwarts any kind of advancement. So if you are wealthy and if you have suddenly become rich, or if your monetary conditions are accelerated, then there can be negative energies that can be directed towards you by those who cannot tolerate your success. In that case, the Kubera mantra can be of utmost importance too, as the evil intruders can be easily detracted with the help of it. To conclude, it is to be told that the full implication of any mantra cannot sustain for long until and unless you offer your Shraddha, which is reverence and dedication to God. The same is true in the case of Lord Kubera, who is ready to shower his blessings on your life and make your life fruitful. Kubera mantra is very easy to learn. It has no rigorous rules to be followed and is very auspicious if you start chanting this mantra and worshipping Kubera right from your heart on and from the day of Dhanteras. The Kubera mantra, Om Shreem Hreem Kleem Namaha. This mantra is the seed or beej or Moola mantra. Om Yakshaya Kuberaya Vaisravanaya Dana Danya Adipataye Dana Danya Samriddhim Mi Dehi Dapaya Swaha. I bow to Lord Kubera, who is the giver of the wealth and fame and who is the destroyer of all problems. Om Shreem Om Hreem Shreem Om Hreem Shreem Kleem Vitteswaraya Namaha. Meaning, I bow to the Lord Kubera, who is the giver of wealth and fame and who is the destroyer of all problems. Om Yakshaye Kuberaya Vaishravanaya Dhanadhanya Dipataye Dhanadhanya Samriddhi Dohi Drapaya Swaha. Meaning, may Lord Kubera, who is supposed as the Lord of all the wealth and riches, give me wealth and the riches. Om Vaishravane Swaha. I bow to Lord Kubera.